Standard 5th EVS Part 2. Children, in previous lesson we studied the stages of evolution of mankind. We had to learn how human evolution took place in all these stages. And now we will introduce the tool created by man during this evolution period in this lesson. Children, humans have many innate tendencies, and these tendencies inspire him to make a variety of things, weapons, and implements. So, children, in this lesson, we will learn about all these stone tools and the progress being made in them. Lesson number 6, Stone Age and Stone Tool. Let's start. Number 1, type and form of tools according to the type of task. Children, we all choose the tools or a material required for the work or a task depending on the type of work. This is the basic tendency. A tool is selected as per the demand of the task, and therefore the four factors that determine the selection of the tools, and these are: number 1, availability of resources. This is the first factor. Children, what tools do you have available right now? These tools we choose for our work. Second, minimal use of time and energy. This is the second factor. This tool should be save a lot of time and energy or effort. These kinds of tool we select for our work. Number 3, maximum efficiency. Children, the task or work should be complete as efficiently as possible. Therefore, we consider this factor for the determining the selection of tool. Number 4, skill of handling tools which is acquired through practice. This is very important factor. We need to know how to use that tool. Only then can we use that tool for our work or a task. So, children, all these four factors we consider or determine the selection of tools, weapons, and implements. The ancient human also made their weapons and tool with this in mind. This is what we are going to learn in this lesson. Lesson number 6, Stone Age and Stone Tools. Children, the evolving man used tools like a bone, stone, dried twigs, and stick. He had a skill of constant and detailed observation, experimentation, and inward imagination. With the help of all this innate skill, he could sharpen stone, bones, and stick into tools and also gave desired shape to all these objects. So, children, this is how man was started making tools. It is believed that Homo Habilis made stone tools and as well as tools from the other material. However, of all the tools made by the humans from thousands of years ago, only stone tools are found today. Tools made from the bones are rarely found, while none of the tools made from the twigs and stick are found because as this material decompose easily. The stone tools found with the remains of Homo habilis prove this. Stone Age tools. Children, Stone Age is the period in which humans mostly use tools made from the stone. Therefore, this period called as a Stone Age. On the basis of the shape and the types of tools found, Stone Age is divided into three periods as follow. Number 1, Old Stone Age or a Paleolithic Age. Paleo means old and lithos means stone. Therefore, Old Stone Age is also called as a Paleolithic Age. Number 2, Middle Stone Age or a Mesolithic Age. Meso means middle. Number 3, New Stone Age or a Neolithic Age. Neo means new. So, children, on the basis of the shape and the types of tools, Stone Age is divided into these three periods. Now, first, we are going to learn stone tool from Old Stone Age or a Paleolithic Age. We will study about these tools with these stages of evolution of mankind. Number 1, Homo habilis. This is the first stage of evolution of mankind. Therefore, first we introduce the tools of Homo habilis. Children, Homo habilis and Homo erectus, who belong to the Old Stone Age, both made their tools using percussion technique. Percussion technique. This technique involves beating or striking one large pebble or stone against another to obtain stone flakes. And then they made a tools. Homo habilis made a chopper with the sharp edge on one of its side and use it for the breaking nuts and bones. Homo habilis used the stone flakes product while sharpening the tools for the scraping meat from the hide of animal, for the chopping meat and the other fruit nuts, and also for the sharpening wooden stick and etc. So children, these kinds of tools made by Homo habilis. Next, Homo erectus. Children, Homo erectus could mentally visualize his tools even before he actually shaped it. Homo erectus made the hand axe and cleaver which were more proportionate and symmetrical than chopper made by Homo habilis. He used antler to obtain stone flakes and further sharp its edge by scraping off smaller pieces to make scraper with sharp edge. Homo erectus hunting a variety of big and small animal like deer, bison, rabbit and etc. Thus, he had a greater variety of food. Therefore, he required a greater variety of tools too. Next, Neanderthal Man. Neanderthal Man made more progress in tool making techniques and made smaller tools. Thus, we found more symmetrical and proportionate tools of Neanderthal man than that of the Homo habilis and Homo erectus. Next, Homo sapien. Homo sapien devised a technique of obtaining long and narrow blades of stone. Homo sapien made a knife, scraper, borer, chisel, and etc. from these long blades. He also used ivory and rare stone for the making tools. Homo sapien lived in one place for a longer duration as he gained knowledge about environment, tool making, and obtaining food. Homo sapien create a artistic object and ornaments like beads made from the shells, bones, and animal teeth, and also cave paintings celebrating festivals. All these kinds of life lived by Homo sapien. Thus, he required a variety of stool. Next, the remains of the Old Stone Age. Children, in India, the remains of the tools from the Old Stone Age have been found at various places from Kashmir to Tamil Nadu. However, a very few fossils of human are found in India. The fossils of the human skull and the collarbones of a woman were found near Hatnora, a village near Hoshangabad in Madhya Pradesh, on the bank of the river Narmada. Also, a fossils of skull of a child from the Stone Age was found at the village near Puducherry. Humans remains of the old Stone Age man have been found in Afghanistan and Sri Lanka as well. In Maharashtra, old Stone Age sites are found at following places. Number 1, Gangapur on the bank of the river Godavari near Nashik. Second, Chirki Nevasa in the bank of the river Pravatra near Nevasa. So children, thus from this lesson we got the information of stone tool from the old Stone Age. And next video we will introduce the stone tool from middle Stone Age and new Stone Age. Thank you.